Hey, this is Professor Miraskar, Brightpoint Community College Biology, and I am here to show you unboxing of Virtual Bio 101's lab kit. Okay, so to get started, this should be your day one assignment when you have your lab kit, and I'm going to show you what your instructor has given you instructions on the canvas. So in Canvas on day one, you should start really this getting started module. Within that, along with all the other reading instructions, this is getting ready for Bio 101 labs. Click onto that. Okay, I'm going to just make this little, here, okay. Read that there are several tabs that you're going to click and read the information. Most importantly, in the lab prep or lab guidelines, you will have these two links, lab materials and list of lab supplies. Please click onto that. One basically tells you everything that you need to have for the lab activity. In addition to the lab kit, there will be certain grocery items that you will be buying. So make sure you read for that particular lab what you need to buy, what you already have in the lab kit. Okay. The second list is list of items from your lab kit. So today's activity, which is basically taking the unboxing of the lab kit and taking a lab kit selfie, you are also going to check the kit contents. Make sure you have this list open with you. Either you can take a printout or you can have your computer like this with you, because everything is going to be on Canvas. So keep the list ready. And now we're going to cross check that with the actual lab kit. So here it is. I'm going to open the lab kit. Okay, keep your student ID or driver's license with you, because you're going to need to submit the selfies with actual ID and the date. Okay, so this is your lab kit. It is from eScience Interactive and its number is kit 1160. Make sure you have the right lab kit. Let's open it. Okay, you can come closer and show the lab kit, please. There is a code here to make sure that you have everything. If there is anything missing, you can always file a complaint with them. So take out everything one by one. As you can see, there is this big box that contains chemicals. So these are all wet chemicals. Make sure you keep them properly. Then take out all of your dry supplies. Okay, and I'm just going to lay it out on my kitchen counter. Make sure the area that you have your table is dry and it's not accessible to your pets or little kids in the house. Okay, so I have everything here. Okay, so now let's check each and every item along with what is there on the list. So I'm going to go one by one, literally this. Safety supplies, there should be gloves and underpad and everything in here. So basically just go through that list, check it off every item. If there is anything missing in the lab kit, you should inform your instructor ASAP so that they can give you the they can supply you with the items that are missing. You can also contact the lab kit people, because they will ship you whatever is missing free of cost. Okay, make sure you take your lab selfie with your ID, and you also need to put the date. So you have to have a small sticky note with the date on here. And that's for today's video. So this was basically unboxing of lab kit. Until next time, stay safe.